planning. These are going to be your action lists, your management lists, due to Pharaoh, pregnancy check, pre-Pharaoh. Let's just create one here. So say I want a list for the next 7 days of my sows that are due for a pre-Pharaoh shot. The other thing you can, if you type or click the date range, you can type in actual dates if you just want a few days. Or the relative dates will be my next. I can type in anything I want in here, 10 days or 3 days, or we'll just go with the week, and it will automatically calculate 7 days from today. So say I want a list that's 14 days from their due date for a shot. So I'm going to type in -14. That's -14 from the due date. And if I click OK, there's my list. Shows me her ID, her parity, her service date. The action date is, in this case, her -14 days, which shows right here, her due date and her group number. Now if I want to save that, so that I don't want to have to always type in my parameters, I click this arrow here and it'll say save parameters as, and I'm going to call this 14-day pre-Pharaoh. And now you can see that it saved it down here. And so now when I want to just run the report, and whatever name I saved it in prints on the report. So let's say I also want another list for 35 days pre-Pharaoh. So I'll type in -35 and I want to save as 35-day pre-Pharaoh. And if I run the report, now I have my 35-day pre-Pharaoh list. Now you can see when I open this report, I have down at the bottom here, I don't know if you can see that, it shows both of the reports that I just created. Now another thing you can do with these reports to modify them is if you highlight one and click the design button, and click columns, now I can turn on and off the columns that I want in my report. So for example, let's just preview this. I can change the action date. Maybe I want that to show on the report. I want that to show 21 days. And now I've changed the text label on the top of my column to 21 days. And then I will save that, give it a name, and what it's going to do is it's going to go into your user folder. So anything you modify using the design button is going to go into this user folder here. Now I have a lot of reports in here, but this is where they will go, and then you can just print them out from here. So the other lists in here that you're going to want to use, the pregnancy check list, they're all pretty much the same format, but again, you're going to want to change your, in this case, days from status 30 days if you want to change it to 35, or you want to make also a 60-day list, for example. You would do that here. Due to Pharaoh list. Again, you can put in a range, a date range, or however many days from today.